Hello, my name is Tina Gote, and this is a discussion board on student attendance. In the scenario provided regarding truancy, AT suffers from a medical condition that requires medication to help him sleep and stay awake. On September 29th of 2015, Trujillo informed the school that AT had a difficult night and was given medication, which caused him to be sluggish and non-coherent during class. School staff noticed his condition and brought him to the nurse, who suggested he go home. Reports were made to Child Protective Services, CPS, alleging that the student had been over-medicated and sent home sick. Despite the student's medical condition, Trujillo's attendance had been documented. AT's attendance had been documented as truancy violation. AT's parent, Trujillo, argues that the school's actions are a stem from her advocating for children with disabilities, and the school's actions were unjust. The parent of AT, Trujillo, and school came to an agreement on a new placement for AT, but the school continued to send truancy notices, and the parent believes that referrals were retaliation because of her activism and complaints of the school staff. Does the situation meet truancy? Why or why not? The situation is not a case for truancy, which refers to absences from school without a valid excuse. In this case, the absences from school were related to the student's medical condition. The student was experiencing negative effects of his prescribed medication and communicated by his parent to explain the drowsiness. The truancy letters are an administrative response based on schools' attendance monitoring policies issued despite the issues which may be considered a misunderstanding or retaliations taken. What would you do in this situation? In this situation, it is important to document AT's attendance to help clarify that the absences are medically related. The CPS's referral was made and should be addressed by the school board, and ensure that the actions are not taken unjustly. The parent appeal for the truancy notices can be explained by providing supporting documentation of the medical condition and medications to support as evidence. A meeting should be conducted to promote a resolution between AT's parent, Trujillo, and school administrators, medical professionals to address his medical needs. And a school attendance and parent concerns of retaliation should also be discussed. This conversation could help to address misunderstandings and promote a more supportive environment for the student. The referral to CPS by law under the First Amendment may be a basis of legal complaint. Therefore, addressing the administrative actions should include proper documentation to avoid any future misunderstandings or misinterpretations of the situation. It's important to move forward and collaborate and build understanding and relationships between the parent and the school administrators. Therefore, I would conduct a meeting that, one, actively listens to the parents' concerns. Two, it ensures that you maintain a positive and neutral tone and ensure to find the best resolution for AT and build a more positive environment. Three, clarify the roles and expectations on how to move forward. How can we ensure that we keep the regular contact and address any concerns quickly, whether it be by phone, email, or in person, but come up to an agreement during this meeting. 4, it's important to be transparent and honest. Review policies and procedures for truancy to address excused and unexcused absences and to remain informed. The collaboration and problems should be resolved together with the parent to create a plan on how to work together and move forward from this situation. The situation should be documented, agreed upon by both parties, the school administrator and the parent, to ensure that they can move forward in a productive manner. Thank you and have a good day. I look forward to hearing from you.